Hey guys, welcome back to Cantam. This is the first video we're posting after a long while, but we're glad to be back and we're grateful to our 65 subscribers for staying on our page and watching and liking our videos. So today, this project is called the Riverstone Flooring Project Part 1, and it's called that because this is the first part of the full video, and then we use the flooring called Riverstone Oak, and we're going to be explaining our choice later down the video. Just sit back, enjoy, and continue to support us. Thank you. Why are you writing on these baseboards?
Well, if you're a professional, you should know that you need to keep track of where things goes. So once we are done with the flooring, you can easily know where 1 is, 2 is, 3 is, and like that.
Okay, so basically you're matching this to the wall.
Yeah.
Nice, thanks. Okay, so why did we choose Riverstone Oak flooring? So as you can see, that previous mini video you saw was actually the flooring in the client's present kitchen, and she wanted us to match something similar to that. So Riverstone Oak was actually the closest we could find to match it. And as you can see, the previous flooring that was in this bathroom was an abomination. It broke so easy, it was so flimsy and so easy to remove, and if we didn't come in right on time, the bathroom could have developed some serious mold and flooring, subfloor issues and stuff like that. So the flooring we use, as I said, Riverstone Oak, it has this brownish gray tan color, and it's a 5.5 millimeter flooring. So with flooring projects, we always advise our clients to make sure that they use a flooring that is at least 5.5 millimeters. You could do 5, but anything less just becomes a real risk. So guys, we're done with the flooring in the bathroom. It looks great. Eh? It's okay. What is the secret to getting vinyl flooring installed?
Everything lies in prep work.
Okay, explain.
First, baseboards need to be out, toilet needs to be out, vanity needs to be out. Once you get those out, you make sure you set for nails underneath your previously installed flooring, whatever it may be. Then clean that out as well. Make sure you prepare the floor, self level. Once you're done with that, then you begin your install. One quick tip: don't start from the middle or the center. Start from the corner. Quick tip: start from the corner. And then once you're done, pull back your baseboards and just tack everything back and pop what you have to pop. Voila.
Okay, and tomorrow we're doing the stairs.
Yeah.
So what should the people watch out for tomorrow?
Just precise cutting and caulking.
Okay. Bye guys. It's been a long day. I'm tired. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this short video showing you a bit, just a little insight into our process and our flooring project. We just want to say thank you to everyone who has been subscribing again, and we hope for more subscribers, so please share our videos, like, comment, so the YouTube algorithm can take it more places, I guess. And oh yeah, you're really going to see what we're going to be doing in part 2. So I'll just give you a sneak peek. It's actually going to be the stairs in this same property. It's going to be the stairs. You're going to see it in like a couple of seconds. It's the staircase. We're going to be removing the existing carpet, and we're putting the same Riverstone Oak flooring. So trust me, you don't want to miss it. Remember to like, subscribe. We do all things property improvement, renovations, landscaping, painting, and more. See you next time. Bye.